Do you guys hear the rain outside? Yeah, it's raining today. Hi, this is Encrypted Angels Nursery. Welcome in. I am Dax and this is Storybrooke. And yeah, so today I'm gonna change her into a warmer outfit. Since it is a little chilly today, it's a little bit rainy. Yeah. So how is everybody doing out there? How are you guys doing? Oh, I received a message yesterday about the baby wafers from Tamra at Once Upon a Nursery. And thank you so much, Tamra. She informed me that of the dangers of using those baby powder wafers right out of the package, that it's better to open them and let them like air out for a little bit, and then they're better to use. Otherwise, she told me that she's experienced them staining her babies. And so as soon as she told me that, I immediately went to go check. I took all the baby wafers out, and I'll just show you. I don't see any kind of staining on her body, and then on her bottom side I don't see any staining either on that side. So I don't see any staining in the cloth. I'll kind of turn around. It is a cloudy day, so don't let shadows fool you. So, but yeah, I don't see any. But I really appreciate it very much for you telling me about that, Tamara. As soon as you told me, I was like, oh no! I immediately went and took them off. And I also changed the diaper too. This isn't the same diaper. I changed the diaper too in case of those oils were on the diaper. I didn't want them to transfer over to the cloth, just in case. So yeah, she looks okay to me. She looks okay to me. And so today we're gonna put this cute Pooh Bear outfit on her. Here's the pants, and this is the shirt. So it's still kind of like a light, kind of light fabric. It's probably just like cotton or polyester or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys listen to the rain while I change her. There we go, you guys. There's little Storybrooke in their Pooh Bear outfit with their star. And we're gonna let her rest for a little bit. She's very tired. And it's been a rainy day. Alright, guys. I hope you have an amazing day out there. Take care, and we will see you next time. Bye.